We'll guide you through how to set up donations on Twitch. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
To set this up, we are going to use a tool called Streamlab. First, open any browser to your liking and go to New tab and search for Streamlab. Just click on the Streamlab and just log in with your Twitch account. Just click on login like so. Just click on login with Twitch if you want to set up donation for Twitch, and just continue with your account. Make sure to read through it and then click on authorize at the bottom. And once you do that, just click on I would rather explore on my own and select the free version. Or you can even go to Ultra, but I'm just gonna go with free version for now and just agree to terms and service and click on continue. And you will land in the dashboard. Now look at the left hand side and scroll down a little bit and you will see earn and grow. Under this section, you will see an option labeled as tipping. Sometimes it is also referred as donation. Just click on that. And now we are going to start setting up your donation system. The first and most important step is to connect a payment method, because this is how you will actually receive money. The most common option here is PayPal. So just click on connect PayPal and click on connect. If you already have a PayPal account, just log in, and if you don't have one yet, create a new PayPal account. It only takes a few minutes, and just log in with your PayPal account. And from here, you can just choose the option for connect your personal account to Streamlab and click on next and click on allow. And after you are all set, just click on return to Streamlab. Now, whenever someone donates the money, it will go directly into your PayPal account. After connecting PayPal, just click on close, and now your donation system is technically active, but we still want to customize it so it looks good and work the way that we want. Next, click on tip settings. From here, you can set things like your currency, and you can scroll down and you can even add minimum tip, and you can also add maximum tip and customize it to your liking. And after customizing, just click on save changes. At the top of your page, you will see an option to view or copy the link. Just click on it to copy the link. And you can see our tip page URL has been copied to the clipboard. To make sure everything is working, just open a new tab and paste the link that we just copied and hit enter. Here you will notice that users can enter the username. The next step is to add it to your Twitch profile so people can actually find it. Just open the Twitch once again. Just go to your profile and go to channel. And from the channel, scroll down and you will find about section. Just click on it and toggle on edit panel. Scroll down and just click on the plus icon and click on add a text or image panel. And from here, you can give a panel title a name like donate and just paste the URL that we copied earlier like so. And you can add description also, and you can also add an image. Just click on add image and choose your image. You can even resize it like so, and after resizing, just click on done. After that, just click on submit and just reload the page to see the changes. And now when someone clicks on this link, they will be directed into the donation page directly.